What's going on, YouTube? Got the old vet back in the shop. Put just over 6,000 miles on it since May of last year. She's doing great. I got some things to do on it still yet. Actually, a lot of stuff to do. I got to do the weather stripping, and I'd like to get paint and cover the seats and that sort of thing. But mechanically, it's doing great. I've got a small leak in my high pressure power steering line. I'm going to go back to the factory bolts in the back. I like the way it sits, but it changed the way it drives. I like the way it drove before better. That, and I live on a dirt road, and I got high centered out in the dirt road. I wasn't paying attention and drug a chunk of brick up out of the road and got stuck, so it pulled my catalytic converter back on the passenger side, so I'm gonna have to jack her up and get underneath it and repair that. And it's another reason I'm going back to the factory bolts. I need all the clearance I can get really on this road I live on. It's like driving across the surface of the moon. But really, I mean, I can't complain about nothing. I've driven this car all over the place. Sometimes I'll work, hour and a half, 2 hours away from home, and I'll throw my tool bag in the back of this bad boy and drive it to work. Um, no issues. I love it. It's been a great car. It runs great. It's just a cool car, and it's fun to drive. And I think the more you drive it, the more you become more aware of where it likes to be shifted, and that sort of thing, and how to handle the power range of the engine. And it's really somewhere around 400 horsepower with the headers and the exhaust on it. And then I have a chip from Mark Halbeck in it too, but that's all I've really done to it. Other than that, it's just stock. And so haven't posted any videos on it in a while, and just figured I'd post one. And then when I get ready to start the exhaust here in a little bit, I might make another one to show you guys what's going on underneath it. And it's just a great car, man. I mean, I got no problems with it at all. I love it. I'm really enjoying driving it. I thought about waiting until I got fully restored to start driving it, but I don't have the kind of money to do a nut and bolt restoration. And mechanically, it's sound as it can be, and the engine runs great. Transmission's good. Clutch feels good. The rear gear, everything's good. I do want to put new wheel bearings in it all the way around, and maybe universal joints in the back half shafts. That sort of thing. Maybe some U-joints in the drive shaft. We'll see. But anyway, just want to post a little one real quick, and I'm going to have her up in the air here in a little bit, and I'll take y'all under there with me to see what happened. So anyway, all right.